Malabar fish roast is a popular Kerala dish. To start with, to the fish add turmeric, chili powder, salt, and oil to combine it. Mix it thoroughly and let it sit for half an hour. To a pan, add coconut oil and fry these fish for about 4 to 5 minutes. Cook it on all sides and turn it. Add oil if required. Transfer the fish back to a plate and let it rest. To a pan, add oil, onions and green chilli. Saute it until the onions turn golden brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix. Add the tomatoes and cook it until it turns mushy. Now let's add the masalas. Add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Give it a good mix. If required, add some water so that the masalas don't burn. Now let's add the tamarind water and let the masala cook for about a minute. Add the coconut milk and let the masala cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the fried fish and mix it gently as the fish is very delicate and it's very easy to break. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves. Gently mix the fish as it is very delicate and it is very easy to break. Cover it using a lid and let it cook for a minute or two. And here you go, yummy Kerala or also known as Malabar fish roast.